this is Remy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how you can convert an old men's shirt into a cute girly dress like this. It's knee length, it's pleated, and it's everything cute. And yeah, it was super easy to create and it took literally just 1 hour to complete the entire design. I'm quite happy with how it turned out. It doesn't really look like it's been made from a shirt because of the length and everything. If you want to know how I did it, you just have to watch the tutorial. But before we jump into the tutorial, make sure that you hit that subscribe button right away if you haven't already. Just turn that notification bell button as well so that you guys never miss any videos from me, because it's very important for you to receive the notification about my new videos. So now, without any further ado, let's get started. For this, I'm taking this navy blue men's shirt, which is quite big in size. The bigger the shirt, the longer your dress can be. First, I'm cutting off the sleeves from my shirt. Then take your existing kurta or a t-shirt, which should be not too loose, not too fit, and place it over the shirt. Now, I'm folding away the collar here as we will be cutting it off. And then, since we already have our shoulders of the shirt in place, so we won't have to do anything on the shoulders. I'm just going to trace the armhole and the side seams of the kurta. Now, to trace the armhole, you can keep a finger half an inch extra over the stitch line of the sleeves and flip the sleeve and mark the point. This way you can complete the entire armhole trace. Or you can simply tuck away the sleeve and mark the armhole easily. Now, as you can see, I have already marked how long I want my top part of the dress to be on my kurta. So, I am marking that much on my shirt as well. Then join those marks with the armhole to make the side seam. Next, make a round neckline under the collar like I am doing here. Then, join the bottom side seams with a straight line. Next, cut this piece out of the shirt, making sure that the deep neckline is only for the front, and for the back, just make a smaller round neckline. Once it's cut, keep the bottom half of the shirt aside for further use and take the upper part first and flip it wrong side out. And pin the side seams together and stitch it in place. And also hem the armholes and the neckline but not the bottom edge. Now once done, this is how it should look like. Then take the bottom half of the shirt, cut the button placket from it and remove the buttons from the other side as well. Then you should have this large piece to attach to your shirt. Cut the unevenness of this piece and keep it aside. Now take the sleeves you cut before, cut it open from its seam, remove the cuffs, and you should have something like this. Then fold it back in half and draw a rectangle of whatever width and length you can get out of your sleeve and cut it out. And then cut it from the folded side as well to get 2 rectangle pieces. Because we folded it before, that's why we have to cut it from the fold to get 2 pieces. Now one piece will have the cuff buttons, so cut that part out from it as well. So you should get 2 such pieces from one sleeve. Do the same to the other sleeve. Then you will have 4 such pieces. Take one small piece from it and keep rest of them aside. Then bring your bottom shirt part again, which will be the skirt part of our dress, and on one of its side, join this rectangle piece we took and pin it together and stitch it. Once done, take the remaining 3 rectangles and stitch them together to make a long strap like this. And also hem one of its sides like I'm doing here, because this will be the bottom edge of our dress. Now take the bottom half of the shirt and bring the 3 joined straps and keep its right side over the right side of the bottom half of the shirt and pin them together and stitch over it to extend our dress length. Now this is how it should look like. Now bring the top part of the shirt and flip it so that its back side is up first. Now see, the bottom half has its right side facing up. First flip it like so and then place it over the top piece and pin the side seams of the shirt and the bottom part together first. Then see, this is the back piece of our top part and this is our skirt part. Now simply just start making small pleats according to the amount of fabric you have with you and pin it in place. Now moving on to the front part, you have two open sides. First, close them by stitching them together and then simply make pleats just like we did in the back and pin them in place. Once pinned, this is how the dress should look like. Just stitch the pleats in place. And once done, this is how your dress should look. I have added this lace at the bottom side as well. You can skip it or you can do it, whatever your choice is, and you're done. So that was it for today's tutorial, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel because that would mean a lot to me. And make sure that you hit that notification bell button as well if you haven't done it yet. What are you waiting for? Just do it already so that you guys receive each and every notification of my channel on time. If you're on Instagram, make sure that you follow me on my Instagram page that is right over here. This is how my feed looks like. If you're not on Instagram, don't worry, you can follow me on my Facebook page that is right over here, or if I forget to mention it, the link will be in the description box and you can just follow my page over there. And today's feature goes out to Joe, Niharika and Despacito. That's what the account's name is. So yeah, thank you so much guys for your lovely comments. I really appreciate all the love you guys give to me. If you also want to get featured in my next tab, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, press that notification bell button and comment down below if you are on my notification squad or not with the hashtag notification squad. And yeah, I will select 3 of you guys then and I'll feature in my next video. If you want to watch the Hindi version of this video, the link will be in the description box. There you can check my Hindi channel and there you can see this video in Hindi. A new video on my personal page that is by the name Ramya Vasudev, and the video is about last minute Rakhi outfit ideas, and if you want to watch that, the link will be in the description box. That's it for today guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.